Hello. Today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you this Ryehack men's Corduroy Sweatshirt. It's a casual long sleeve Henley t-shirt because it's lightweight sweater or it's in pullover. A top. It is possible to get this in a size from S up to 3XL. In black, in brown, in gray, in navy, or in red. You can choose from these colors. And Corduroy sweatshirts for men have loose fit, Henley color, and a raglan design. It's soft and comfortable for spring, autumn, and winter. The fabric is 95% of polyester, and on top 5% spandex. That means it is expandable. Oh, expandable. High quality fabrics gives us a soft wearing feeling. This man's plain t-shirt have 5 colors, which you can choose from. The man's long sleeve top is suitable to be worn in spring, in autumn, and of course in the wintertime. It can be matches with sweatpants, cargo trousers, jeans, or other style of the pants. And this man's casual t-shirt is perfect for many occasions, such as homewear, outwear, daily wear, workwear, jogging, walking, business, and dating, or hiking, camping, and so on. So it's an every time device for you to wear. Machine or hand wash by cold water means 30 degrees Celsius. And then we can make a good look with this man's sweatshirt. A sweatshirt is a long sleeve pullover shirt or a jacket fashioned out of thick, usual cotton cloth material. Sweatshirts are almost exclusively casual attire and hence not as formal as some sweaters. Sweatshirts may or may not have a hood. This here does not have a hood. A sweatshirt with a hood is now usually referred to a hoodie, although more of formal media still use the term hooded sweatshirt, of course. In 1920, the Benjamin Russell Jr. is a quarterback for the Alabama Crimson Tide football team. This was tired of the constant shaving and itching caused by their wool football uniforms. He worked with his father, whose company, Russell Manufacturing Company, made women's and children's knit garments, to come up with a better option. They created a thick cotton practice jersey that was a modification of a ladies' union suit top. This loose, colorless pullover were the first sweatshirts. A new division of the company, focusing solely on the product of sweatshirts, became the Russell Athletic Company. The sweatshirt's potential as a portable advertising tool was discovered in 1960s when the U.S. university began printing the name on them to exhibit school pride. The sweatshirts, along with the t-shirt, provides a cheap and efficient way of dissemination information on a mass scale. The t-shirt slogan fad of the 1970s inevitably translated to sweatshirts. Due to the relative simplicity of customization and power of the graphics combined the catchphrases, sweatshirts became a vehicle for personal expressions for both the designer and the wearer. And here it comes. This comes in 2 colors. You have, in this case, the black and the other color in combination. And we have metal knobs to make a long-lasting wear about this product here. It looks good, it feels good, and it makes a good job. It's the Ryehack men's Corduroy Sweatshirt. It's a casual long-sleeve Henley t-shirt, which is lightweight sweater or a pullover and a top. S up to 3XL in black, in brown, in gray, in navy, and in red, available on the markets. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback. And I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon soon.